Stage 4, Job interview.
Question 1. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
My name is Lilia. I am my psychology student that UNAD who want to work.
Question 2. Why want to work in this company?
I have a very good reference of I want to grow professionally.
Question 3. What are your goals for the future?
In the future, I hope to create my own company and generate employment.
Question 4. What are your greetings, strengths, and weaknesses?
My greatest strengths are responsibility, punctuality, and leadership. My weaknesses are being shy, difficult for me range people, and is difficult for my manage time. Excuse me.
Question 5. Can you tell me a little bit more about the skill than you transfer for your previous line or hard department here?
One of my skill is empathy, communication, patience, observation, and the most important is my passion for working continuous learning. And thank you.